In the midst of holiday rush, we tend to forget to be more present in the moment and appreciate the things that are truly important to us. When you slow down, you will have more time to savor the simple pleasures of the holidays. For me, it's being with my son and thoughtfully crafting gifts. I would like to share a simple DIY gift project that not only relaxes me while fulfilling my creativity, but also saving some bucks. You will only be needing a few things such as box that you can get from Amazon, Lazada, or Shopee, so your favorite tea, your favorite chocolates, and some fillers that I got from my old gifts. This is a very easy DIY project that I do to help me relax, especially during the holiday season. After putting all the fillers, next is to fill it up with teas, candies, or chocolates. And I am also using a recycled ribbon from the past gifts that I've received. Even the cards that I'm using is recycled, and it feels very personal writing a personal note to the person you're gifting it to. And this is our final project. It looks very elevated, very personal, and ready for gifting. Happy holidays!